Thank you for coming, Prof. Shaliza, for doing this. As you know, this is an effort on our part to kenal and get to know the researchers, who are doing the great work at UM. So, in effect, we are trying to put a face to UM technologies. And it's also part of this series of videos. It's a part of UM Tech in a program. Thank you for coming, Prof. Let's start with, can you, tell us your name and also your domain expertise at UM? What is your research work in UM?
Okay, thank you, Zaki, for this opportunity. My name is Shaliza Ibrahim, and I am a chemical engineer by training. I had all 3 degrees in chemical engineering.
Mana, Prof, you did your degree and PhD?
Okay, my first degree was at Texas A&M University,
Wow.
and that was back in 1981 to 85. Then I did my master's in Pennsylvania State University and my PhD at the University of Birmingham in the UK.
Okay.
So my PhD work was actually on mixing and hydrodynamics. So I was interested in looking at multi-phase systems where solid, liquid and gas interact and so on. However, when I joined the University of Malaya, I was also, I spent 20 years at the engineering faculty, and I was teaching in the environmental engineering program, and that was how I became interested in looking at waste treatment and processes relating to wastewater. And I was intrigued by 2 things in my assignment in teaching. One is the upward anaerobic sludge blanket reactor, which is a type of anaerobic reactor, biological system, which is very cost effective and also self-sustaining, but it can treat wastewater very effectively. And then I got the opportunity to meet Professor Desiree Lu from the University of Miami, who made us very interested in hydrogen. And that was when we started working on looking at converting biological conversion of waste to hydrogen gas.
I see. And of course, those over the years, you series of progression of the research work that you did. But is there any why organic waste and the target market that you're trying to solve and trying to assist? Why this group of people? Any specific reason?
Okay, well, as a researcher, it all actually starts with looking at the problem.
Right.
For us, like I said, I was very intrigued by biological treatment because it's work happening at ambient temperature and it's self-sustaining and so on. So, and as we know, in Malaysia being the second largest producer of palm oil, the wastewater associated with palm oil production is massive. And we were looking at how we could do treatment and degrade this wastewater. And when I wanted to put together hydrogen and also waste treatment, so I challenged one of our PhD students, this was back in 2011, how can we have a reactor like this but generate, instead of the usual methane biogas, why not do hydrogen? And so that's how we managed to do that. And so the market then comes later, when who do we sell hydrogen to? Who would be able to utilize this product? And that's how we decided we could. Then, okay, I realized that perhaps we are not going to be selling to the end users.
Right.
We actually looking at the intermediary, like the investors who will invest in this biogas plant, and then they will be selling the end product.
And again, just to reiterate, so you have a system, a device, a machine that convert organic waste into hydrogen, and of course the hydrogen will also turn into energy, right? Energy, and this is I think this is from point of view of energy. This is where decentralization of energy or power that comes into effect, and I think it's very disrupting to people like power generators, right? And I think it's a great idea because you empower the people to generate their own source of energy. And Is there, for your work that you have done so far in terms of the output and where it is heading, can you tell me a bit more of the system?
At the moment, our system is able to, the performance of the system is able to generate at least 1 liter of hydrogen ambient condition to every 1 liter of palm oil mean effluent.
1 to 1?
Yeah, 1 liter is treated, you get 1 liter of hydrogen gas. Actually, we can do more, but this is a conservative estimate. And there is a potential for this to be used in medium-sized community, where, because when you mention organic effluent, organic waste, it means anything that is biodegradable. And so we know Malaysia, other than palm waste, we also have a huge, massive amount of food waste. So we are now looking at also using agriculture and food waste in terms of converting this into biogas, which then can be applied at medium-sized communities where they can generate their own energy. However, when you talk about hydrogen, it doesn't necessarily have to be for energy.
It could be anything else. Again, this is where the purpose of the accelerator program or market validation program, that it could be for any not necessarily the market that we talked about. It could be a different market. So we need to test on that idea, validate that further. Here we are, Prof. Of course, I always believe that someone's expert as you are, continue in great work that you're doing. I don't expect you to overnight become an entrepreneur. And you want to concentrate in research work. And here we are trying to assist you to look for a business co-founder. What is your aspiration atau harapan you atau your hope in looking for this person? Who might this person be, and how can this person work with you, and what is your aspiration for this person?
I think firstly, this person will have to also be passionate about what we are doing, and be able to understand to some level the technology and how it is the advantages of the technique that we use, and then be able to go out there and I think have rapport with the business world, and convince them that this is the right way to go. Also a balance between the technology side as well as the social science aspect. So the science communication part.
I think that is where, and I'm sure you have tried all efforts, and there has been a lot of industries also trying to approach you in commercialization, but this is another way for us nak ketengahkan and to bring forward the technology. So best of luck again. We look forward to your startup to disrupt the energy industry and also assist community at large, Prof. Thank you very much, Prof, for your time. Okay, thank you.